So you are a Jamb preparing for the 2025 Jamb exam. Come closer, we have a serious discussion on this table. Now, as when I'm making this video, you have less than a month to your Jamb exam. In fact, you now have weeks to your Jamb exam. And I know at this point in time, you might be confused, you might not know what to do, you might not know what to read, you might not even know what to do at all because to you, there are a lot of things that you've not known and your exam is already fast approaching. But what if I tell you that you should not worry about anything? What if I tell you that these few weeks to your exam, you can still use it very well and score 300 plus in your JAM exam? Yes, it's very, very possible because JAM is an exam that has been written over the years. For more than 20 years, this exam has been ongoing. And there is now a pattern in which JAM brings out their questions. And we as tutors already understand this pattern. We already know how JAM set their questions and we already know the areas that JAM will bring their questions from. And that is why we've organized a class where we'll be teaching you based on what you are going to see on the day of your exam. JAM is already very, very close. This is not the time to start reading textbook. This is not the time to start jacking a lot of materials. No. All what you need now are points that are going to come outside on your exam day. Be it even if you're a science student, even if you're a social science student, or even if you're an art student, what you need now are just points that you see on the day of your exam. And let me tell you, it's very, very possible. Even if you've not been reading before, even if you've not been reading since January, my dear, with our classes, it's still very possible for you to score very high in your JAM exam. Because like I said before, JAM has a pattern in which they set their questions. JAM have some important areas where they bring their questions from. And this is where we'll be teaching you on when you join our revision class or when you join our Rhema class. As of when I'm making this video, our classes are already ongoing. Yes, we just started about 2 days ago and we've not gone far. So you can still join us now and get access to everything that we've taught so far. The classes are online. Classes are every day from Monday to Sunday. And classes are usually held in the evening. Yes, from 6 in the evening to 12 midnight. And we're teaching you on all your subjects, even if you're a science student, even if you're a social science student, even if you're an art student. No, if, as far as you're writing JAM, we have a class for you. And this is not the first time we're doing things like this. So, yes, in our Rhema, we've done our Rhema classes over the years and we've produced a lot of results. You can check the screen and see some of our student results. 300, 320, 330. We've done a lot of high JAM scores over the years. So if I tell you that this class can make you pass, then believe me, the class can make you pass. There's nothing that can change it. Even if you are very dull, even if you have left secondary school a long time ago, maybe 3 years, 5 years, or even if you've not been reading at all, our Rhema class is definitely for you. And you should not miss it for anything. Yes. And the fee for the class is just 6,000 naira. Yes, the fee is 6,000 naira. 6,000 naira cash. And once you pay, I will add you to the class and you start learning from not just me, but other of my tutors that are very, very good in what they do. And in no distant time, hell, you are going to pass your exam. You understand? Like I said, we are going to teach you based on the JAM syllabus. We are going to teach you, give you tricks. We are going to teach you tricks that you can use to answer questions, how to use the computer on the day of your exam, and so many other things. So, man, don't miss the class for anything. Don't say 6,000 naira is too big. The money is not too big because imagine you refuse to pay that money now and God forbid you now fail JAM. You have to stay at home for another 365 days because of just 6,000 naira. Hey, my dear, you have to be very, very wise and you have to pay for that class. Yes, it's 6,000 naira and it's non-negotiable. And that payment is going to last you till you write your exam, or even on the day of your exam. We're still going to teach you on what you see on your exam day. And we're going to also coach you on how to answer questions on that very day. Because some of you, this is your first time writing JAM and you don't really know how it works. So in our class, we're also going to teach you on how to answer questions and how to go about your JAM exam on the day of your exam. So don't miss it for anything. Just message me now on my WhatsApp where I sent you this video and tell me you want to pay for the class. And once you pay, I will add you immediately and you start learning. So my dear, that's just it. I don't want you to miss this class for anything. The fee is just worth 6,000. And like I said, we're teaching you according to the JAM syllabus. I'm personally going to make sure that I guide and coach you till you do very well, till I see that you have a very good result at the end of the day. And apart from that, we also have reading groups. We also have study group. We also have brainstorming groups. You understand? We also have groups where we coach our students, where we give them possible questions every day. We also organize tests and mock exams after each classes. So, my dear, these few days to your exam, it can still change a lot of things if only you believe in yourself, because I already believe in you. It's just left for you to believe in yourself and join the class. So that's all for this video, guys. Message me now and make your payment for the class, and I'll see you there and add you to the class. Our classes are held on WhatsApp and Telegram, and we're going to make sure that at the end of the day you pass and you get a good result. So message me now to make your payment. 6,000 naira.